Looking for luxury, huh? Here's what we the Hot Cars people recommend as the best of the best luxury hybrid SUVs. The Jeep Grand Cherokee 4xE, $55,565. It's in its 5th gen, and the latest is the greatest iteration so far. The 2-liter hybridized inline-4 mated to a pair of electric motors generates 375 horses, 470 pound-feet of torque, and can get you up to 25 miles in electric-only mode. Lexus RX Hybrid, $50,150. Thanks to the makeover, the RX Hybrid gets a confident new styling that appeals to the senses. You get that upgraded infotainment system and new engines with decent horsepower, even with the base model. 246 horsepower to start and a respectable 233 pound-feet of torque. Volvo XC90 Recharge T8, $71,900. This plug-in's got generous cabin space, luxurious amenities, and a robust powertrain. The twin-charged 2-liter inline-4 mates to a rear-mounted electric motor. All powers combine to put 455 horses and 523 pound-feet of torque at your feet. All in a minimalist, yet very modern package. 36 miles using electric power. Audi Q7 TFSI-E, $86,117. With 456 HPs and 516.3 pound-feet of torque, this 3-liter V6 is the most powerful of the Q7 e-trons. All electric can get you up to 29 miles. Mercedes-Benz GLE 350e 4MATIC, $60,200. Bigger and more muscular than ever without a V6, you get 330 horses and 516 pound-feet of torque out of this inline-4 and a 50-mile electric-only range. BMW X5 xDrive 45e, $65,700. The luxury SUV market sort of started with the X5. Using the V6 B58 engine, you get an overall output of 389 horses and 443 pound-feet of torque, 30 miles in all electric. Lincoln Aviator Grand Touring, $68,680. It's in its 2nd gen and already way better looking than its big brother, the big bulky Navigator. Thanks to the hybrid's combined power output, you get 494 horsepower and 630 pound-feet of torque, and a lot of space lengthwise but not vertically. Porsche Cayenne e-Hybrid and Porsche Cayenne Turbo S e-Hybrid, $86,500 starting. It's the German brand's best-selling model, and since there are no more diesels in Cayennes, the company can focus everything on its hybrid engines. From the 3-liter twin-turbo V6 mated to an all-electric motor, which combined produces 450 HPs, to the higher-up hybrid, the Turbo S e-Hybrid, which mated the electric motor to Porsche's 4-liter twin-turbo V8, produces a redonkulous 690 HPs and 642 pound-feet of torque. Bentley Bentayga Hybrid, $197,300. Same drivetrain as the Porsche Cayenne e-Hybrid, since they share a platform. This snooty bad boy makes 456 HPs and 516 pound-feet of torque. Like its Porsche sibling, the Bentayga Hybrid has around 30 miles of electric-only range, and it's the most expensive SUV hybrid on this list, by the way. Land Rover 510e, $163,550. The 5th gen Range Rover just came out and it's better and more premium than ever. 3-liter inline-6 turbo, married to an electric motor that produces a combined 503 horsepower and 516 pound-feet of torque. BMW XM, $159,000. The biggest bang for top dollar is Beamer's all-new 2-row crossover with jaw-dropping performance. They call it a sports activity vehicle, or SAV, fitted with quite a potent plug-in hybrid system that delivers a whopping 644 horsepower total output and 590 pound-feet of torque. Under the hood, the hybrid SUV receives a 4.4-liter V8 that motivates this big vehicle from rest to 62 miles an hour in a mere 4.3 seconds.